Okay, it's Monday, April 10th. This is an end of the day SPY recap, and today we end up with a 2-up green bar. You can see here on the daily chart, we kind of started somewhat near the low of on Thursday's bar, kind of tested that area, never really took out these lows, and then price action kind of took us up for the rest of the day. If we look at the 15-minute chart, the very first move of the day, kind of follow through on that pre-market downtrend a little bit. Never really took out these lows down here, and then on bar number 3, we took out the highs of the day. So I bought calls here and talked about it. I talked about how we kind of have an inside day forming, and I didn't know, how much rally we can get to the upside within that day, but it ended up kind of moving up. Then it took one little pullback and a second push up towards kind of the close of yesterday and the pre-market highs by the end of the day, So it really kind of worked its way all the way back up. I talked about how after this first move up, maybe it could take out this inefficient price. You can see this is kind of like inefficient pricing on the way down, and then price typically can fill that in on the way up, and that's what eventually happened. And now we're back in line with the uptrend, following through after hours a little bit to the upside. The weekly chart is green at the moment, so we know what the open of this week is. That little the yellow line down here is kind of the open. As long as we stay above that for the rest of the week, we stay positive. The monthly chart, which kind of has been our guideline all along, we have the kind of the reversal hammer looking bar from last month that you expect to kind of work its way up towards the highs back here. And we just kind of paused to start April, and now we have the monthly chart green as well, heading up higher. So this yellow line here is kind of the open of the month, and we crossed that to the upside. So now everything's in line with the upside again until proven otherwise. We'll if we hold the midpoint of today, going into tomorrow, we'll expect follow through higher, definitely to take out this high up here, which is like the 412-ish area. Let's say that should be the next target, and then we see if we kind of work up to these monthly highs up here. Again, we're just kind of we paused here on this little doji bar last week, started a little lower, but now we're starting up. So let's see if we get that follow through in line with the continuity to the upside now. All time frames are pointing up. Even the quarterly chart now is on the upside. So it could be a powerful little up move here, and we'll just continue to monitor that until proven otherwise. But we have a 2-up day here today, and as long as we hold the midpoint of this bar, then we're going to expect us to kind of start targeting some of these levels, first this one up here, and then these monthly targets up here. So let's see what develops. And today, again, kind of the market did tip its hand early that it wanted to kind of resume that uptrend, and it was just a classic one push up, pause, second push up kind of move, and it got pretty strong towards, once you kind of started filling in this area, then you were kind of working up towards those pre-market highs. So let's see where we go tomorrow, but until proven otherwise, back to to the upside in force, and we'll just see how strong the rally might want to be.